Video, I'll be answering 3 questions depending on the time. So I'll definitely answer the first 2 questions, and if it's close to 10 minutes, I might put this 3rd question in another video. The first 2 are: a very large class took an exam with a total of 200 points. The average score was 150 and the standard deviation was around 15 points. The distribution of the scores follow the normal curve reasonably well. We want to approximate the percentage of students that first scored higher than 180 and the percentage of students that scored between 126 and 168. To answer these questions, we will need a normal curve table and a calculator. Let's start with part A. The percentage of students that scored higher than 180. Here is a sketch of the histogram. We know it follows the normal curve reasonably well. The average, the middle of the histogram, was 150. 180 is to the right of that, and we're looking for percentage higher than 180. So this is the area we are looking for. In order to solve this, we need to convert our horizontal axis to standard units. The 150, being the average, converts to 0. To figure out what 180 is in standard units, we take the number 180, we subtract from it the average, which is 150, and we divide by the standard deviation, which is 15. 180 minus 150 is 30 divided by 15. That's going to be 2. So 180 in standard units is 2. That means we're looking for the area under the normal curve to the right of 2. If we go to the normal curve table, look for z equal to 2. That is 95.45. Hopefully you can see that right there, 95.45. That means, what the table tells us, is the area between minus 2 and 2 is 95.45%. The area under the normal curve, the entire normal curve, is 100%. So 100 minus 95.45 equals, let's use the calculator, 4.55. That means the areas in blue total 4.55%. We want the area to the right of 2. That's half the total area in blue. Let's figure out what that is. So we multiply this by 0.5 and we get 2.275. And that's the answer. 2.275% of the students did better than 180. Now let's look at part B. Scored between 126 and 168. And we want to indicate where the average is. It's in the middle. It's 126 to 168. Shade in the area we are looking for. And then we want to convert to standard units. 150 converts to 0. 168. In standard units, we subtract the average and we divide by the standard deviation. That's 18 divided by 15, and let's use the calculator. 18 divided by 15 is 1.2. So 168 in standard units is 1.2. 126 in standard units, let's do that over here. So what is 126 divided by 150? Minus 150 rather, is negative 24, and then we divide by 15 to get negative 1.6. That is, we're looking for the area under the normal curve between negative 1.6 and 1.2. And let me move this part again so we have room. Stick pretty close. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Let me get the pen back. We're going to split this into two parts. From negative 1.6 to 0. And 0 to 1.2. To find the area from negative 1.6 to 0, we do half the area from negative 1.6 to 1.6. To figure that out, we look at the table. The area of the normal curve from negative 1.6 to 1.6 is 89.04. .04 times 1/2 is 44.52. That's the area in blue. Now look at the area in green. We do 1/2 times the area under the normal curve between negative 1.2 and 1.2. Go to the table. Look for z equals 1.2. That is down here. That's 76.99. .5 times 76.99 is 38.495. And that's the area in green. To find the total area, we add them up. 44.52 plus 38.495 is equal to, let's use the calculator, 44.52 is 83.015%. So 83.015% of students scored between 126 and 168. I'm going to stop the video here. Please watch the next video for the next question.